Your 5-day forecast will show temperatures for eastern Newfoundland tomorrow again are going to be on the chillier side compared to our central and western Newfoundland neighbors. But inland areas of eastern Newfoundland could easily be 12 or 13 degrees tomorrow, much like Sunday. Now, we are going to be seeing some rain working across Newfoundland from tomorrow afternoon into Sunday. Parts of central will see rain Sunday afternoon, too. And then looking ahead to next week, the weather looks a little bit warmer, although still remaining cool in Labrador after the rain and snow this weekend. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions. Eddie, what does the May 2-4 long weekend look like? Well, that's next weekend. And here's a sneak peek. As of right now, not great for some, not awful either. At least it's not looking overly cold. There is going to be the chance that the numbers you see on this map are wildly inaccurate because we're over a week out. In fact, I was looking at one computer model which has 22 for the forecast high for St. John's on Sunday. So stay tuned. We'll have a better idea over the coming days what the long weekend looks like. Hopefully, it'll be warmer than the numbers that you see there on your screen, and we can get out and see scenes like this. This picture was taken by Melanie Linehan at Perry's Cove on the Avalon Peninsula North. Beautiful picture there. Melanie, thank you very much for sharing that photo with us and submitting it to our website, ntv.ca. And you can get pictures to me on Facebook and Twitter as well. And speaking of ntv.ca, you can go to the homepage right there, get all your latest news, and you can see my forecast for the weekend up there, which will always be kind of on the top right corner of the website. So be sure to check out ntv.ca for your latest news and weather. Futurecast will take us from tonight through tomorrow and even Sunday, showing the rain that I've been talking about in Labrador working to the east. Now, tomorrow morning, we're going to be seeing some rain working on to the lower north shore of Quebec. That is in response to an area of low pressure developing. And the low isn't going to be super strong, but it will develop. It will produce enough energy that areas of Labrador will see precipitation becoming wider in geographic scale during the day tomorrow, and across western Newfoundland, rain begins to push in during the afternoon after a sunny morning, and same thing for the south and southwest coast. And some of that rain will be heavy. Look at the bright colors there. Indicates the computer thinking the rainfall rates are going to be rather intense. In Labrador tomorrow, Churchill Valley back to Churchill Falls, we see periods of rain and or wet snow, becoming more wet snow by tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night, midnight, there is rain on the Avalon and the northeast coast, heavy at times. That works offshore by 5, 6 o'clock Sunday morning. Snow still ongoing in Labrador on Sunday from the north coast back to Labrador west. Now we're going to watch this little blob of precipitation working northeastward. That will be some rain that pushes through central and northeastern Newfoundland. It looks like Sunday afternoon. All areas of southern and eastern Newfoundland see sunny breaks. In Labrador, the snow begins to ease off, or rain, come Sunday evening, and that trend will continue into Monday morning. Rainfall amounts through Sunday morning highest right along the south and southwest coast, perhaps in excess of 20 or 30 millimeters. Same thing for parts of the southern Avalon. Trepassey coming in 31 mils in the forecast, only 7 for St. John's. And as you go farther north, there will be some pockets of heavier rainfall, and it's all much needed. 10-15 mils is certainly a good thing. Into Labrador, we will see some rain and some wet snow before the changeover. Areas around Upper Lake Melville to the Churchill Valley could pick up 20 or 30 millimeters of rain in some areas, and then we get the snow from late tonight through Sunday evening in parts of interior and northern Labrador. And it looks like Goose Bay, only 3 centimeters in the forecast, but the hills around town will obviously see more. Same thing, Churchill Falls, hills around town seeing more. Into northern Labrador, high terrain will see 10, 15, 20 centimeters. The closer you are to the coast, generally, the lower the snowfall you will see. Temperatures tonight, 0 to about 3 across eastern and northeastern Newfoundland. Skies are clear. For the day tomorrow, highs 9 to 17, warmest around Clarenville, 12 in Gander. Areas in onshore, south-southeast winds. Shouldn't see a whole lot of fog, but temperatures will be considerably cooler. So if you're going for a hike tomorrow right along the southern shore, bring the jacket. It's going to be chilly. The ocean's still cold. Western Newfoundland tonight, 0 to 6 or so for the overnight lows. Skies are clear. Winds gusting to 50. For tomorrow, winds gusting to 60. You may get a wreck house wind warning issued. Southwest coast, rain moving in during the late morning. West coast, afternoon. Central holds off until tomorrow night. South coast, rain moves in during the afternoon tomorrow. Same thing for the Conagra Peninsula. Into Labrador overnight, temperatures 0 to about -4, or excuse me, between +5 and -1 for the overnight lows. And then for your day tomorrow, much cooler, except in the southeast, where highs will be as warm as 12 in Bloc Sablon and the Forteau area. Here's your 5-day forecast. And as you can see, eastern Newfoundland looking pretty good, even looking ahead to Wednesday after the morning rain on Sunday. For Central, 11 degrees on Sunday, mostly cloudy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but relatively mild. For western Newfoundland, 11 degrees on Sunday, some rain showers for Monday, 13 degrees Tuesday, back to 8 Wednesday. And for Labrador, cooling down a bit for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but it's dry in the east. Some rain and snow Sunday, showers Monday, and a slightly warmer day Tuesday and Wednesday.